Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TeslaFi battery and supercharge analysis detailed guide step by step clearly. To download TeslaFi battery and supercharge analysis, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the TeslaFi website and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login section on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options. Look for the Reports tab in the menu. Click on Reports to see different types of analyses available. Select Battery Analysis to view detailed insights about your vehicle's battery performance. If you're interested in supercharging data, return to the Reports section. Click on Supercharge Analysis to access information regarding your charging sessions. To download your reports, look for the Download button typically located on the report page. Click the Download button to initiate the file download. Choose the format you prefer for the downloaded file, usually available in CSV or PDF. Once you select the format, the report will begin downloading to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your device's file manager or designated Downloads folder. Open the file using a compatible program to view your battery and supercharge analysis. Review the data thoroughly to understand your vehicle's performance metrics. You have now successfully downloaded and accessed your TeslaFi battery and supercharge analysis reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.